friends, welcome back to our channel Dream Catchers. And today we are going on a journey to the where? To the center of the earth.
Not at all. We are going to Ranganathittu Bird Sanctuary.
Yes, so come along with us and let's check out the place.
It was quite a smooth drive on the Bangalore-Mysore highway. One can enjoy the beautiful landscape on both sides of the highway throughout the drive. And we got stuck at a huge traffic at a toll plaza near Ramanagara. Finally, we could see the gate of the bird sanctuary. The parking ticket costs 60 INR.
So friends, we have reached the bird sanctuary, as you can see. This is the gate. So now we will enter.
The ticket costs 175 INR, which includes Rs 75 for entry fee and 100 rupees as boating charges. From the Maharaja Tower, one can see the entire lake at a distance. The huge spread of bamboo trees looked beautiful with the sparkling sun rays passing through them. You can find some small food vendors and a souvenir shop near the boating complex. As soon as we embarked the boat, we could spot a huge variety of migratory birds like painted storks, spot-billed pelicans and kingfishers, to name a few. It was quite an amazing experience to watch these birds so closely. And we were quite lucky to spot this huge crocodile basking in the afternoon sun.
So friends, are you enjoying with us? Did you like the boat ride? It was super fun. Seeing the crocodile from so near. It was
First time in our life.
Yeah, amazing experience.
and finally our day trip amidst nature was coming to an end. But I can definitely say that this was a really memorable trip.
A dinosaur's egg in Bangalore. So friends, that was the end of our beautiful day trip from Bangalore. We will catch you in our next video. Till then, bye bye.